Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is kind of like an updated foundation routine type of deal. As you can tell, my eyes are already done. I actually will be posting the details on these eyes on my Instagram, so definitely follow my Instagram. It's DiamantedUane, the same way that it's spelled here. But without further ado, let me go ahead and show you guys my updated foundation routine. So I have already primed my skin. I use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer. It's a nice basic primer that, you know, has a little bit of soft matte finish, great for somebody who has oily skin like me. But let's get into the second part of this, which is the base. So what I've been doing a lot lately is I've been actually using this right here. This is the Black Radiance True Complexion BB Cream. Now what I've been using this for is literally giving my face like an all over tint. Also that little bit of moisturization that, you know, BB creams tend to have, just to kind of like balance out my skin tone and things like that. So I'm going to use this first. This is kind of like I use it as like a second primer in a way. I'm just going to take it on a Real Techniques brush. I'm not sure what this brush is, but this Real Techniques brush right here. And I'm literally going to start blending this out, starting from the center of my face and blending it outwards. And what I'm doing is I'm making sure that I'm really kind of like I'm swiping, but I'm also kind of pressing it in like this, so that I really get the product in there. Also, by doing this, guys, this is a great tip for those of you who want that flawless skin-like finish but still needs a lot of coverage. You know, take something like a BB cream or a tinted moisturizer and use that as a light base first, and then just build up with your actual like more fuller coverage foundation or something that's medium to full coverage, so you don't have to wear a super full coverage foundation all of the time. Okay, so now that that step is done, by the way, I used the shade in Brown Sugar. I forgot to say that. But the next thing I'm gonna put on is foundation. So this guy right here, this is the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. This foundation is really good. I did do a review on this foundation. I'll leave it linked somewhere up and through here. But basically, if you have oily skin, definitely get it. It's a good drugstore foundation. So what I'm going to do is take 2 pumps of this and use the same Real Techniques brush. And I'm just going to add this on top of the BB cream. Alright, so foundation is done. So as you can tell, I avoided my eye area because I don't know if you guys are noticing, I am layering 2 different types of products. Basically, I've been doing that a lot lately. So I layered 2 different types of base or foundation, I guess you would say. So now I'm going to layer 2 different concealers. So I'm going to be going in first with the Maybelline Age Rewind. So I'm going to apply that to my under eyes first. Now that I have the Maybelline Age Rewind down, I'm going to go over top of that with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. And I have the shade in Dark 46, and the Maybelline is in Tan, by the way. The reason that I do this is because the ColourPop is a little bit more brightening than the Maybelline. And I'm literally only going to put that in the inner corner. Putting the ColourPop now on my chin and as a nose bridge highlight. And taking the same brush and just blending everything out. So I noticed on one of my more latest videos that you guys have liked my vlog style of videos. You guys liked that, even though like the last one was like a flop basically, just because I was so nervous in like recording like that in public for the first time. So if I do like more vloggy style videos, what would you guys like to see? Would you like me to take you guys like makeup shopping with me? Like something more personal? Like I have a lot going on as far as, you know, me and my, you know, personal issues with my weight and things like that. I've been going on like this weight loss journey for about like 2 years now. I originally lost about like 50 pounds. And currently right now I'm not at my goal weight, so I'm still trying to lose another 40 pounds. So let me know if you guys would like, would like to see that on this channel, or if you would like me to make a separate channel for that. Let me know in the comments below. Okay, so now that we have all of that blended out on our face, it's time to set everything. So first I'm going to set the under eyes. Of course you guys all know that I have been using the ColourPop No Filter setting powder, the banana. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the no filter setting powder in banana, and I'm just gonna take a blending brush. The only reason I'm doing this, I usually don't set my makeup with this, is because I cannot find my beauty blender, so I have to get another beauty sponge. But I'm just going to take that and literally just tap that under my under eye. The next step should be nothing new to you guys. I'm gonna take my MAC Studio Fix powder in NW58, and I'm going to take just a fluffy angled brush, and I'm literally just going to set and contour my face a little bit. And for highlight, I'm actually going to be using this right here. So this is like a little mixture of different pigments that I just mixed together. I haven't used this in a while, and I just have, this big thing full of pigment. So I'm gonna start using it again. So I'm just gonna take the usual Sephora fan brush and taking a little bit of that and placing it on my cheekbone there. Now I'm just gonna spritz my face with some MAC Fix Plus. And last but not least, let me throw on a lip. I'm going in with the Jordana Coco Loco lip liner. And now going in with the Black Radiance Lip HD Sculptor in Slay Queen. And now I'm just gonna go right over top with the Mented Cosmetics lip gloss and mauved over. Alright guys, so that is it for my updated foundation routine. I just really wanted to come on here and kind of update you guys on products that I'm actually currently using at the moment. So I definitely recommended you guys, if you haven't tried any of these products, I would definitely recommend you try them out, especially the CoverGirl foundation. It's freaking amazing. Definitely try it out. Even if you have dry skin, try it out, because it doesn't cling onto my dry patches that I have. Even though I am oily skin, I'm more so combo oily skin. So definitely pick this up. But like I said before guys, if you want more details on the eyes, it is the Lunar Beauty palette, and I'll leave all the details on my Instagram. That's at DiamanteDuane. If you haven't subscribed, definitely hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget, wow, I'm really like tapping it out here like. Also guys, if you haven't already, definitely hit the thumbs up button if you haven't already. That helps me reach the people of YouTube land. But yeah guys, as always, thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys later in the next video.